Go.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Our report is all about, our case study is all about Global City Taguig remains flood-free. So the contents of our report are the summary, time context, viewpoint,
Next time.
problem, objective, and conclusion.
Summary. While a majority of Metro Manila had to deal with floods last August 2012, one area in Taguig was flood-free due to a system that could be replicated in other areas. So, bali by the year, noong August 2012, marami tayong experience na baha dito sa Maynila, but exempted yung Taguig. If South Makati has Paseo de Magallanes for international cuisine restaurants, Port Bonifacio has Burgos Circle. Surrounded by residential condominiums in Forbes Town Center, this hip dining complex offers an alternative to dining experience in Silang and Bonifacio High Street. But many people do not know that Burgos Circle at the Global City Taguig has a 5-story structure underneath it where flood water is impounded and later released into Manila Bay. Bali na introduction namin. Next. So this giant cistern is a model for the construction of a similar structure that would impound water up in the Marikina watershed, the main source of the flood waters that swamp Marikina and its neighboring cities in last 2012 deluge. Kaya, bali ito yung cistern or detention tank sa ilalim ng Burgos Circle. Kaya pala hindi bumabaha yung sa Taguig, specifically dun sa Burgos Circle na area. Kasi may detention tank sa ilalim nun. And dun na yung counting tubig. And after that, yung water na na-impound doon, afterwards, napupunta doon sa Marikina watershed. Kaya yung nagsasuffer, yung sa Marikina, including their neighboring cities. Kaya di ba napapansin natin sa Marikina River na nagpapaan sila? Nagkakaroon ng yung level ng critical level dahil doon. Bali ito yung report sa ANC. Ayan, kung paano yan, binuksan nila yung sister, yung detention tank para makita na meron talaga sa Burgos Circle. Next please. Ayan, nakatawa yung mga tao yung sa nila. Ayan, dito na natin yung tubig. Okay,
Time context. So, Public Works and Highways Secretary Rogelio Simpson was among those who conceptualized the idea back in 1997. The project in Port Bonifacio lasted for 8 months. So, ito yung mismo Burgos Circle. So, dito lang sa may gilid nito, hindi lang nakita sa picture na yan. Nandiyan banda yung giant cistern. Doon i-impound yung water. So, ito naman, yung picture nito sa kabila, pinakita lang dito yung sinukat siya, parang assumption lang siya. Kasi ginamit lang dito yung ruler sa computer. So, sinabi dito na, yung radius niya, so nasa 38.16 meters. Pero sabi naman doon sa mga balita doon sa ANC, yun nga, kasi laki ng 5-story building yung nasa ilalim niya, tsaka kaya niyang i-accommodate na water sa loob is nasa in Olympic size na pool. So, next. Head of Commercial Operations, Port Bonifacio Development Corporation, believes that a detention tank within the Burgos circuit is a mechanism that enhances the chances for the league to have floods. Secretary Rogelio Simpson now plans to set up similar tanks in flood-prone areas like Lumen, España, FEU, Mananulu Circuit, and Araneta Avenue. He is asking for developers to build their own tanks to resolve flood problems. Yung picture ni Manny Blas, yung head ng commercial operations sa Port Bonifacio Development na nauna para i-develop yung giant cistern tank for impounding flood waters. Ayan. Problem. For several years, there are frequent flash floods. Many families are homeless, properties that are lost and destroyed. Run off from the 26,000 hectare deluded watershed has been a major cause of flooding downstream, including Antipolo City, Montalban, San Mateo, and Tanay towns, all in Rizal Province and Marikina. As in the onslaught of Storm Ondoy in September 2009, rainwater came tumbling down from the watershed that swelled Marikina River and swamp subdivisions along the river and parts of Rizal in last 2012's massive flooding caused by days of monsoon rains. The river swelled in new after hours of thunderstorm, triggering panic and prompting evacuations of residents who had gone back home. Ayun na, sabi nga dyan, yung Antipolo City, tapos yung Montalban, San Mateo, tsaka Tanay towns, yung sa Marikina, tsaka sa Antipolo, yun yung kadalasan na binabaha. Lalo na yung Ondoy, tapos yung ito lang na parang kabagat na ulan. Parang binaha na sila agad. Yun yung problem.
Makain kasi mga lugar.
Kasi mababa.
Just na mababa kasi, parang takbo na sila ng tubig na matataas.
Yes, ma'am.
All of the rainwater goes down to us. We suffer a lot from the floods and 98% of that comes from the watershed. And there's not a single foot in the watershed that belongs to Marikina. Marikina Representative Federico Romero Kimbo said by phone in his swing through flooded areas in Metro Manila last 2012. President Vigna Aquino said catch basins in the Marikina watershed. A ring road dike along Laguna de Bay and a dike and pumping station in Tamanava area would be built in 2 to 3 years to address perennial flooding in the metropolis. At the Burgos Circle's water impounding facility, which Son now designed when he was still in the private sector, flood water is stored and after the rain is pumped out to lakes that flow in the bay. The public works secretary. Ayun, dyan, parang pinalo nila na since wala daw yung water na galing sa yung baha, kung 98% pumupunta dun sa atin, tapos nagsasuffer tayo, kasi yung tabi, ayun nga, hindi sila pinabata. Parang naisipan nila na gumawa ng katulad din doon sa Taguig, katulad doon sa Burgos Circle, para maiwasan din natin yung baha. Yes.
Objective.
Objective. What we're looking at is to impound or retard the amount of water together with the runoff upstream. It's been effective in many countries and we've tried that in Port Bonifacio. Public Works Secretary Rogelio Simpson said in a brief report. When it rains, the water flows to the drainage pipes and when there's too much, it goes to the town. The tank can install water equivalent to 8 Olympic-sized pools. When the rain stops or when the bodies of water are already low, the pumping station goes to work. So, ano siya eh, parang sinasabi nila na ang sinasabi nila talaga na
Kailangan nun.
hindi, parang na-inspired din kasi sila sa iba, di ba? Kasi nga, nakita nila yung effectiveness ng paggawa ng tank
Sa ibang country.
sa ibang country. So, kaya ginawa din nila sa global.
Effective.
Tapos, so yung process na is parang pagmulan, mag-start mo na siya ng tubig. Yung tubig pa lang, start mo na sa may distant tank, tapos pagtapos na yung ulan, saka na yung palabas ng tubig.
Parang malaking to talaga siya.
Olympic size pools.
Hindi, maliit na rin eh, sa Japan.
Pero at least,
Walang dahil.
wala tinatindigan yung Olympic size na yung pool.
Pero hindi, pag sa maliking na yan, sigurado hindi kaya kasi masyadong mababa yung area ng maliking yan. Talagang marami silang tubig na sinasalo. Alternative course of consideration. Time frame 8 months. 2010 construction and 8 months construction of detention park DPWH tsaka developers.
Ano yung gagawa?
Oo nga.
By yung
Ito yung system count. Ito yung actually ano yun, di ba?
Hindi para mapapagod.
Ito yung Pasig River. So ito yung pag-explain kanina, ito yung Burgos Circle. Hindi Quezon City Circle. Dito ba?
may
Tapos pagkatapos na yung ulan, ipapump niya sa papuntang Pasig River. Tapos yung alternative namin, kasi ano nga, di ba, yung tubig kasi is pumunta nyo sa bodies of water. Kaya nakakontaminate yung Pasig River or yung Manila Bay. Kasi nga, ginagawa natin na parang lahat ng canals natin is doon siya nakadirect. So, alternative namin para hindi na mag-pollute yung pollution sa Pasig River is that pwede mo naman i-treat yung tubig na nandun sa Olympic pool, gawa ka ng water treatment system para magamit mo yung tubig. Pwede mo siyang gamitin pandilig. Kung gusto mo, i-treat mo siya na pwede mo tubig. Diba? Pwede mo siyang benta, mahal ang tubig ngayon.
lalo na kung sa summer.
And conclusion or remaining challenges. The Fort Bonifacio model was a success for Secretary Simpson. As what is reported, the said area along Burgos Circle in Taguig was indeed flood-free. This is the reason it hardly floods in BGC and neighboring areas like South Cebu and Barangay Pinagkaisahan. Ayun nga, parang yung tema ko sa dahil nga dun sa ginawa nilang project, yung mga lapit ng barangay like South Cebu, Bembo, Islembo, Mababa, sila yung mga parang sumasali ng tubig. Parang galing doon sa pump, parang dumadaan ko sa parang sila na yung mga ay ma'am, tapos ma'am, parang dahil nga doon, yung tubig na rin doon, galing sa, dahil sa pump na yun, sa tank na yun, parang siya na yung nagpo-consume sa mga katabing area.
Flood free na rin yung katabing areas ng flood system.
Kasi,
Hindi lang yung BGC yung flood free. free. Pati na rin yung katabi nila kasi yung tubig din nila na nahihigop din ng blood system ng BGC. Nadadami sila sa pagiging blood.
Yeah, thanks. Ayan mga yung lugar niya kinasa sa River State. Para papansin niyo ma'am, meron siya dito butas. Yan. Itong butas na yan ma'am, dyan nahihigop yun. Dyan na pupunta yung mga tubig papunta doon sa ilalim. Ito yung mga papunta yun dyan sa baba. Bababayan dyan. Tapos, ay nga, pag umuulan, parang siya, open lang siya. Pero hindi naman siya malaki yung mga openings niya. Kasi ma'am, kapag malaki yun, parang masasakyan. Parang siya nag-imado. Ayun. Next. Remaining challenges. Since public works officials have not yet present the detailed plans, Budget Secretary Florencio Abad could not give the exact cost of the next project, except to say, this will be in the billions of pesos. Yes. The immediate and short-term requirements will be drawn from budgetary allocation, but the medium and long-term funding will have to be drawn. In addition, from ODA, Official Development Assistance, and PPP, Public-Private Partnership Funding. And PPP funds are often allotted for self-liquidating projects like water supply, hydropower, solid waste management, and sewage services.
Next, please.
Eh ma'am, ito yung video namin na nagpapakita kung paano Super HD.
Grabe.
Ano yung kapalitan?
Yan, yun yung yan yung dumaan ng August. Bumagyo ng August 2012.
Ayun ang burgers here.
Ayan si ano? Si Maniglas.
Next thing yung gagawin.
Yan, malapit sa school natin. Yan si ano?
Secretary mo.
Classic River.
Ma'am, binasay na para makakita sa iba.
How amazing it is.
Please.
Budget is really yan.
Next slide. Yan.
Thank you for listening, ma'am.
Hashtag Bardinas.
Uy, isa pa next.
Next.